हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो अभी हम जैसे कैमरून स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी आए हुए थे, तो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी का टूर कराया, यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टिमुलेशन सेंटर आपको दिखाया हुआ, लाइब्रेरी दिखाया हुआ। तो यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में आपको सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट से जानते हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी कैसी है, उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है, 1 साल की उनकी जर्नी कैसी थी, तो सारा आप उनके थ्रू जानते हैं।
Hello, myself Abhay Kumar, and I'm a second year MBBS student. So, if we talk about the atmosphere of university is quite good and quite familiar. The teachers are very good, and the teaching method. If we talk in terms about education, it's most similar like Indian education system, and you will get different type of subjects. If students get usually bothered about the language, like Russian language, they find it very difficult. But it's not like that. So yeah, it's all similar to Indian education system. The subjects are also like in first year, we have anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and with some other co-curricular subjects like Russian language and Latin language to get deep dive into the anatomy. So yeah, this is all about my academics, and this rules the Camero. Yeah, and this is all about it. If we talk in the terms of academics, yes.
तो अभी जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोग 3rd फ्लोर गए हुए थे, वहाँ कैंटीन थी,
Yes.
तो वहाँ पे क्या इंडियन फूड वगैरह अवेलेबल है?
Not that much, but yeah, you can say like this, cheese pizza, and you will get pastries and all. Not that much, but yeah, it is available.
तो अभी आप जैसे कहाँ पे हॉस्टल पे स्टे करते हो कि अपने अपार्टमेंट लिया हुआ है?
I live in dormitory number 4, so it's a.
एंड हाउ फार इट्स फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी?
It is in walking distance. It's not a big deal. It is in like 500 meters from this university.
So overall your experience is good in this university?
Obviously, yes, no doubt. It's all okay, and I'm very glad to be here because घूम फिर कर सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम यहाँ का कैसा है, इंडियन सिस्टम फॉलो हो रहा है कि नहीं. सो यस, इट फॉलोज ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल डिटेल ऑफ द इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम.
तो आप स्टूडेंट्स को रिकमेंड करेंगे इस यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए?
Sure, definitely. You have to come. You have to explore Russia. And if you talk about the city, I haven't been Kuzbas yet, but whatever I get from other students, it's fantastic, and you must visit this university once. And it's a different topic to get admission into it. So yeah.
Okay, best of luck and thank you for your time.
Thank you.